Hello everyone, and welcome to GES Quick News Broadcast, where we bring you the best and latest information you can get anywhere. Today, we are excited to share some fantastic news about the One Teacher One Laptop initiative by the Ghana Education Service, GES. Recently, GES has provided laptops to 17,000 teachers throughout the country under this initiative. This initiative aims to support teachers in preparing lessons, conducting research, and improving teaching. The One Teacher One Laptop program, which started in 2021, was created to enhance education through technology and improve teaching and learning in schools across Ghana. The idea is to give every teacher a laptop to help them with their work. Under this program, the government covers 70% of the laptop cost, while teachers cover the remaining 30%. Some public school teachers received their laptops in 2022. However, many had to wait longer despite having paid their share. These delays caused frustration among teachers who had already paid but were still waiting for their laptops. The teachers were eager to receive their laptops because they knew these devices would help them with their teaching. Dr. Eric Nakansa, Director General of the Ghana Education Service, spoke at the event where the laptops were handed out. He thanked the teachers for being patient during the delay and mentioned that the Minister of Education had worked hard to ensure the suppliers delivered the laptops. Dr. Nakansa emphasized how important these laptops are for supporting the changes happening in the education sector in Ghana. He believes that having access to technology will help teachers do their jobs better and improve the overall quality of education. The teachers who received the laptops expressed their happiness and relief. Osei Kwadwo, one of the teachers, shared his frustration about the delay but was glad to finally receive the laptop. He mentioned that the laptop would be very helpful for his research and lesson planning. Florence Gima, another teacher, said she always believed the laptops would eventually be delivered. She was especially happy to receive hers before the upcoming elections. Florence is confident that the laptop will help her improve her teaching and provide better learning experiences for her students. This distribution is part of a larger effort to ensure that all public school teachers in Ghana benefit from the One Teacher One Laptop program. The goal is to provide every teacher with the tools they need to enhance their teaching methods and improve student learning outcomes. The distribution of laptops to teachers is a significant step towards improving education in Ghana. By providing teachers with the necessary technology, the GES is helping to create a better learning environment for students. Despite the delays, the teachers are now equipped with laptops that will aid in lesson preparation, research, and teaching, ultimately leading to better educational outcomes for students across the country. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates on educational initiatives, job vacancies, and other important GES news. Stay informed and stay ahead. Until next time, bye-bye.